Okay. So all items.
Can I do it now? Thank you. This goes like this. Like. But this goes back here. And there. This actually goes on his back, if you want to put it on his back. Right. Then, oops.
Everyone is really interested in knowing what we have here.
Oh. Bishop, what is this?
Like, is that a new toy for me?
Well, no, not this. Look at it. It was so smooth.
Ooh, it was very nice.
Look at that. Picture of one finger. Okay, let's find somewhere to charge him up.
We're all very excited to have our first
AI in the house.
AI robot.
Let's put him here in the little corner.
And we shall see how our family reacts to our first robot.
I have 3 prongs.
All right, let's get it charging and we'll be back.